Meaning of El Niño.
El Niño.
El Niño.
El Niño.
El Niño. El Niño is an atmospheric phenomenon that occurs irregularly in the tropical Pacific Ocean. It results from the interaction between the ocean and the atmosphere, causing warm surface waters to spread eastwards across the Pacific and altering weather patterns worldwide. The effects of El Niño are varied and can include droughts, floods, storms, and changes in temperature. These impacts can lead to significant economic and environmental consequences, such as crop failures, water shortages, and increased risk of wildfires. El Niño events typically recur every 2 to 7 years and can last up to 12 months.